to make space his final resting place. As Rick Wells shows us, new at 5, the Tulsa Air and Space Museum has opened a special exhibit to honor Greg and his dream of space travel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff of the Taurus 4 Acromsat mission.
Just before Christmas of 1999, a Taurus rocket took the cremated remains of 36 people into orbit.
This is for you. Congratulations, you made it. This is awesome.
September Brown was celebrating for her son. Greg had always dreamed of becoming an astronaut, a dream short-circuited by leukemia when he was 14.
There's a lot of kids out there who, aspire to be an astronaut and have the same dreams and hopes that Greg did. And so, in a sense, this is for them.
It's a new exhibit at the Tulsa Air and Space Museum dedicated to Greg Brown and his dream of space travel. Family and friends stopped by to have a look. Greg had received a bone marrow transplant before he died. Opening the exhibit on July 2nd honors that bone marrow donor's birthday.
This is some of Greg's belongings.
He built and launched model rockets. He met real astronauts. There are autographed hats.
Today we gather for this memorial service.
There's a video of his trip into space. That plus the story of his battle with leukemia. It's all here. He'll be remembered and his dream will be remembered.
Right.
By anybody who looks at this.
Right.
This is a replica of the vial which contains a small amount of Greg's cremated remains. Celestis is the company that arranges the launch. They estimate the remains will stay in orbit more than 50 years.
So now his ashes orbit every 90 minutes.
He's the first Oklahoman to have his remains put into orbit. For this Oklahoma family, it's a 14-year-old's dream come true. Rick Wells, the News on 6.
Star Trek creator Gene Roddenberry, actor James Scotty Doohan of Star Trek, and Mercury astronaut Gordon Cooper are among those whose cremated remains are also orbiting the Earth. If you would like to know more about how burial in space works, we have a link to the Celestis website and the web version of Rick's story at newson6.com.